2021 proved to be an eventful month for Indian drone industry, which has witnessed some significant developments like major investments, collaboration, and release of new policies. This will boost the pace of growth in the coming future. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone Helpline. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged the country's youth to come forward and make optimal use of drones while addressing the 82nd edition of his monthly radio address, Man Ki Baat. He also announced India's aspiration of becoming the leading country in drone technology and asserted that the government is taking steps to realize this dream. BVLOS Trials in India have gained significant milestones, with ICMR and Team Daybest creating history by delivering a vaccine box from plane to an island using drone in Manipur. Dunzo Consortium has started 100 hours of BVLOS flights in Hassan. AirServe successfully delivered the medical supplies safely to a primary healthcare center located near Vikarabad with India's first ever 4G drones. Taking a step further towards facilitating seamless operations of drones in the airspace, India has notified the National UTM Policy Framework in October. Finally, Indian Air Force has announced the name of 4 winners for Mehar Baba Swarm Drone Competition launched in October 2018. Newspace Research won the Best Swarm Architecture Award, with Delhi Technology University's Flare Unmanned Systems begging the award for Best Communication Architecture, whereas Daksha Unmanned Systems and Veda Defense Systems clinched the prize for the Best Drone Architecture and Best Innovation in Design respectively. Now India has got its official Drone Day. To mark the successful launch of Drone Directorate, DGCA celebrated Drone Foundation Day on 21st October 2021. In the presence of Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Shri Mansukh Mandaviya, India's first field trial of spraying Nano Urea using drones was conducted in Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has released a procedure for obtaining quick approvals of pesticides used for spraying using drones. Arav Unmanned Systems has won a contract to deploy additional 80 drones in 4 states under Swamitwa scheme through a competitive bidding process. Indian Army deploys Israel's Heron's drone at line of actual control along the Arunachal Pradesh border as tensions with China escalate. Dr. Tirulochan Mahapatra, DGCAR, launched the drone facility for the sampling of water bodies developed by UAV Systems, Kolkata, during his recent visit to the ICAR Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, Barakpur, Kolkata. A team of researchers at IISC, Bangalore, are working on drone skyways named CorriDrone to find ways of efficient and safe movement of multiple UAVs in urban or delimited airspace. Actor Rana inaugurated Telangana government's Project Hara Bahara with maroon drones with an aim to intensify green cover by dropping seed balls using drones. Western Railways is planning to use 2 Ninja surveillance drones from Idea Forge to keep a bird's eye watch of important locations in monitor stations, yards and tracks. Newspace Research and the Indian Navy have signed a memorandum of understanding for innovation and research on futuristic combat technology. TATA AIG announced the launch of a drone insurance and distribution tie-up with Tropogo, a deep tech startup working on an integrated marketplace providing a one-stop shop for all. Fixar Global has signed an exclusivity agreement with the leading Indian technology development company Paras Aerospace for Fixar unmanned solution distribution in India. French aerospace and defense major Thales to invest $1.2 billion in India over the next 5 years and are ready to implement their drone remote ID solutions to meet the present government requirements. To empower rural youth with drone technology, SkilloFab signed MOU with IG Drones to establish a drone center of excellence to offer vocational courses for various age groups. Avianco launches SkyNet Dojo, a community-driven marketplace platform for drone pilots and clients. Artworks Innovation Program selected Tropogo for implementing AI in their next-generation products. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.